Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Frost Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Frost Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.frostbank.com/logins. Once the page has been loaded up, click to login from the top right corner. Once the login page has been loaded up, enter your username, then enter your password. To confirm your password, you can click to this eye icon. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Frost online banking account. If you have forgot your username or password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Username or Password. And if you haven't enrolled your online banking yet, you can set up online access by clicking to Set up online access. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.